Very good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and safe. So today in this session, I'm going to teach you EVS, the new chapter, lesson number 9, Healthy Habits. Okay, children, do you know what you mean by habit? Let me tell you. Habit means repetition of same action. The action can be good or bad, but you should always follow good habits in your life to stay healthy, right? So before starting the chapter, let me tell you one story. There was a boy whose name was Eric. He had many friends and he was the favorite of everyone. But do you know one thing? Eric did not like to take bath. Yes, he did not like to brush his teeth. He never combed his hair properly. So his mother used to teach him all the time. Dear Eric, you should take bath every day. You should brush your teeth twice a day and please comb your hair properly. Always wear neat and clean dress. Otherwise, no one will like you anymore and you may fall sick. But Eric was simply say, Mama, look at me. I'm so cute. No one would know I hadn't taken bath. So I don't need a bath at all. But after few days, what happened? Do you know? All his friends stopped talking to him. Eric had no more friends. He was all alone. No one wanted to play with him. He became so sad. Yes, children. One day, Eric woke up with a bad smell, which was coming out from his own body. Now he understood. He should listen to his mother. He went to the washroom, brushed his teeth nicely, took a bath, combed his hair neatly, and wore neat and clean dress. Now again he started looking for his friends to play, and he had made many friends, and he became healthy and happy. Now children, I hope you have enjoyed the story. What did you learn from the story? That we should always keep ourselves clean so that everybody loves us. So what are you going to learn in this chapter? Good habits help us to keep fit and healthy. Different ways of keeping ourselves clean. Exercise and fresh air are good for health. And you will learn some more good eating habits. Now, children, just give me the answer of one question. How do you feel when you are healthy? Yes, you feel happy, like these children. So, when we are happy, we do all our work happily. Like, we can study well in school with our friends. We can play together happily with our friends. And we can help our mother at home to do some work. So children, we can stay healthy if we keep ourselves clean. To keep ourselves clean, we should learn some good habits. So let's talk about some good habits. Get up from bed early in the morning. This is the first good habit which we should follow every day. Brush your teeth twice daily, once in the morning and once at night, as it keeps the germs away. Have a bath daily with soap and water. It also helps to keep the germs away from our body. Children, you should always wear clean and well-ironed clothes while going to school and at home. Yes, this is the very important good habit which we should follow. Wash your hands before and after every meal. It also helps to keep the germs away from our hands. Children, you must play outdoor games every day with your friends. It helps to keep your body healthy. You should not watch TV for long hours as it makes your eyes weak. So keep proper distance. At the end of the day, we all feel tired, so you should sleep on time. You need to sleep 8 hours a day. Children, you should do exercise daily by playing games like by doing cycling, by doing skating, skipping, and by playing football. By doing yoga also. This is the most important exercise which helps us to keep fit and healthy. Children, you should cut nails with the help of your parents. Long and dirty nails carry germs. Comb your hair after a bath. Yes, cover your nose with the help of handkerchief while sneezing and cover your mouth while coughing and yawning. As nowadays we are covering our mouth by using masks to protect ourselves from coronavirus. This is the very bad habit, poking your nose. I hope you don't do it, isn't it? Oil your hair regularly. It keeps your hair healthy, right? So now have a look for good eating habits. You have learnt in the last chapter also. Always eat freshly prepared food and fresh fruits. It makes you happy and healthy. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water and 1 to 2 glasses of milk daily, as milk is the complete food. Eat different kinds of food like cereals, pulses, vegetables and fresh fruit. Now let's have a quick recall. Good habits help us to keep fit and healthy. We must keep our teeth, body and hair clean. We should exercise or play outdoor games regularly. Always eat freshly prepared food. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water and 1 to 2 glasses of milk daily. I hope you have understood the chapter. Now go through the chapter thoroughly. Thank you. Have a nice day.